Welcome to the Summer Organ Academy, presented by the Royal Canadian College of Organists. I am Dr. Sarah Svendsen, and I am the Summer Organ Academy Curriculum Designer and Program Coordinator. The Summer Organ Academy is an exceptional learning opportunity for formative training or professional development. The program features a faculty of national and internationally acclaimed organists in an exciting and intensive program of private organ lessons, improvisation lessons, masterclasses, lecture demonstrations, and performance opportunities. At the Summer Organ Academy, we encourage and promote community building and support for all levels of interest in playing. The program is for organists of all ages and stages. From beginners to advanced learners, everyone is welcome in our community. Faculty this year include special guest instructors Katelyn Emerson and Jeffrey Brillhart. Participants can register as a day student or stay in residence on the beautiful downtown campus of the University of Toronto. Registration opens February 15 on our website at www.rcco.ca. We hope to see you there. In the meantime, here are a few clips from the 2023 Academy.
The best part about teaching is when you say something to somebody and then you see them apply it and it makes an immediate difference. Especially for me, it's questions of technique when you'll suggest something and they tell you it's a lot easier. I think that might be what I prefer. Aside from that, I think just getting to meet people is really great.
So there have been many really awesome experiences to choose from, but I think what I find really rewarding is when someone who has never improvised before, who's sort of intimidated or terrified by the class, gives it a try, and then by the end of the class feels like, yes, this is something that I can tackle. Even though it's not perfect, even though it might be a scary experience, the fact that they're able to, at the end of the class, improvise something for even 30 seconds or put together a melody, or even just not feel that anxiety about organ improvisation, that's a huge success.
So I'm here at the mechanical bellows for the organ here, and this is a fun thing to try when you're in your small groups. You can have one person play and another person pumps the bellows. And of course, this is how it would have always been done back in the day, that you would always have to have someone pumping if you're going to play the organ before electric motors.
Okay, good.
Ta, bum, bum. Imagine this is played by, I don't know, like a flute or something. You know, these four people, they can never play two notes at the same time. It's not like organ where, you know, we can do what we want, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We just do the scale going down. Think of the bad guy.
Okay, you're skipping a beat there.
Oh, okay.
Tita, toodle, and tom.
Oh.
Right? Yeah?
Okay.
That's just right from, yeah.
Okay.
I've learned how to unpack an organ console for registration. I've learned how jazz is demystified. Now it's clear to me in a way that never was before. How to improvise with purpose and make it fun and make hymns dance and interesting for the listener.
At the recommendation of my teacher back home, Dr. Marnie Giesbrecht, and she just said that it's a great idea to kind of meet other young organists from Canada and to experience some more instruments and use your repertoire meant for those different instruments in different ways. And yeah, I think I've I've definitely had some help with technique. It's also great to have a week of devoted practice. That helps anyone. And yeah, especially the improvisation classes have been really helpful as well.
I came to the Summer Organ Academy on a request from my teacher, and so far I've been taught by many different people and I've seen many different interpretations on many different pieces.